am up and at 'em. I just got dressed and I'm headed to get coffee. Jarrell is still in bed. He's really tired. But this morning we have a pretty amazing opportunity. The marketing people here at SANDOS PLAYACAR are gonna set up a kind of like a morning show, like a coffee morning show. And they've asked us to talk about it, and it's gonna be a whole thing. Me and Topher and Jared of their YouTube channel. So, like I said, Jarrell's just like been working crazily, and he has all this like stuff to do this morning. So, so it's just gonna be me, which is fine. Oh, my voice from like screaming on those zip lines and everything yesterday. But yeah, so I'm gonna go get some coffee, and then I will show you guys. I think they've set up a stage. It should be really cool. So yeah. All right, guys. So we are here, just the two of us, and we're gonna try out this beach thing again. There's a lot of seaweed. There's a lot of sargasso, but you know, it's sad because like right out there is so freaking like beautiful. So I'm so tempted. Like he said there was a sandbar out there, and I'm like, where?
Over, and I was on a sandbar, and I wasn't too deep, but it's a lot more seaweed now than it was earlier.
Oh, is there? Yeah, this is, look at it, it's all on top. And I also don't see as many people raking it. Yeah, people are in the water over there. Yeah, it's just it's a lot of seaweed. But once you get past it, it's so pretty. Jeez Louise. All right, guys, so it is like filled. It's like filled with seaweed. It's just like so much, sadly.
Well, apparently last week it was clear and blue.
Last week it was.
I don't know what brings it. Like,
it's just like a phenomenon
like,
that they're dealing with in the Caribbean, where they just can't, you know, it's just, there's just no way to.
And if you don't like things touching you, this can be very creepy.
Right, because it really is like
Something's
everywhere.
always touching you in your leg, so it's like, ah. But I'm not that afraid of it, and if I'm not.
Right.
But this is what I'm used to in LA. If you live in LA and you follow us, you know what it's like. The seaweed.
Is it really?
Not this much of it.
Oh, this is like.
But there is seaweed.
Yeah, I'm like, this is too much. It's just too much. And it's like you have to like wade through it. Like, I mean, I guess. Ugh.
I wish it was blue water.
I do too. I'm fighting through it. So we're trying to get to that sandbar. Do you see those people standing in the middle of the water like Jesus? We're trying to get over there. Jarrell walked on land, but I'm committed to the sea. I'm like Moana. I'm there at the edge of the water. Ooh. Here we go. We're gonna get to the sandbar. We're gonna walk out. It's gonna be fine. There's the sandbar. Ooh. Here's the sandbar. Let's see how far we can walk out. Ooh, ouch, ouch. Interestingly enough, the buoys are like here and like here, but not here. Is that because the sandbar goes all the way out? If it does, I'll be so happy. Oh my gosh, wait, is it really gonna let us walk all the way out? To the blue?
It's gonna be a big drop.
If we fall, you'll know. Luckily though, I have the floating attachment, the floating handle, so the camera won't sink to the bottom. Let's just hope there's not like an insane undertow that sweeps us away from it. Yeah, do you see it? It's just like floating in. And then today I don't see people clearing. Oh, maybe they're down there clearing in front of the family section, which makes sense because that's where like a lot of like Zumba and all that stuff happens. Zumba.
Yeah, the sandbar goes out pretty far, you guys.
Oh, we're going. Come on, babe. We got this. Oh. Oh, look how far. Okay, so this is how far we are from the front. From the shore.
From the shore.
But the water is gross. But if we can just make it through, we can just.
The buoys are right there.
Yeah, but that's not our buoys. I think that the buoys aren't there because this is because of the sandbars here. I think if we can make it out past a little bit past this, then we'll get past the grossness. And out here, actually, there's less. Right, babe?
Yeah, it's a little bit less.
Dude, there's less. I'm not having to fight through like entire families of it or whatever scads of seaweed are. So, okay. Okay.
Not bad.
It's not bad.
Still not blue.
It's not blue, but I feel like just beyond this is blue.
Well, we can't go as far as beyond as it goes.
But where they're...
Now you have to swim. You can't touch the bottom anymore, really.
I can touch the bottom.
Well, my pinky, my tippy toes are...
Your pinky tippy toes.
Yeah.
So, oh, you know what? Hello. This is a GoPro. You guys can see under the water.
They can see.
Look. You can't hear. Do you see the brown? Do you see Durrell coming at you? Yeah. So
This is the beach. We're swimming in.
we are swimming in the beach, though. Oh, look. Speaking of Mexico,
Nice.
look at that. We're in the beach. It's okay. Out here, I don't feel a ton of
I feel it.
of seaweed around me. Do you feel it?
I feel it. She's touching me.
Out here, I haven't been touched. Come out.
I haven't been touched.
Come out.
I'm out.
Come out.
As far as you, mine is 3 feet.
I'm just saying.
Okay. I want to be able to stand. In case an animal was coming at me, I can run.
So you're saying we're not going to go out to where those jet skis are?
No, we can't.
What do you mean we can't? They're out there.
Because they're on the jet skis.
We should get a catamaran, babe. I think they rent catamarans.
Probably expensive.
No, I think they're cheap. I think it's like 20 bucks. Then we can take it out to the blue.
We'll see. You can ask.
We'll see. That's like when your parents, you ask them things and they go, we'll see. That's a no.
At least you know how much of a parent I'll be. Daddy, can we watch that stars?
Okay, guys, so I'm kind of in the middle of the ocean. I swam out. Jarell is way back there. I swam out to the bluer water, past the buoys. I'm a really good swimmer. I don't necessarily think that everyone should do this, but I just want to show you guys the water does change color here. It is clear. There's a little bit of the seaweed out here, but it is pretty. It's also much colder here. But yeah, it's a different color of water. Which is pretty. You actually see the water is a different color. It actually is. I'm not sure that there's a sandbar out here, but it is kind of like turquoise and pretty. It's not brown, at least, so that's good. You can see, keep that little thing back there in the brown. So yeah, it's actually really pretty out here. It's like the seaweed has dissipated. So I definitely can't touch the ground, like not even remotely. It's very far down. It's pretty deep out here. Again, if you're not already, follow us. It's at Booze Cruise. That's at BOOSCRUIZ, because you're worth it, E. Bringing you the live footage that not many other people get because they don't swim out here from SANDOS PLAYACAR. Let me go back to Drew. I can tell he's freaking out. All right, guys, so made it back to shore. So I was out there. That's where I swam out to. Again, I would definitely say not for the faint of heart. If you are not a strong swimmer, do not do that, because getting back, I'm like, because there is like a current and you know, the waves, so you really have to fight to get back in once you're past like this point, like a little past the buoys. I would say stay in there, but I just wanted to show you guys the difference in the change in water. So hopefully it shows up really well on camera, because it was definitely a difference to me. People have come up to us and been like, congratulations, like it's so like sweet. We just went swimming. Are you going to go swim in the beach?
Not right now. We did a snorkeling adventure.
Oh, did you? Our friend are doing it right now. And was it nice? Like an hour and a half?
Yeah.
Where did they take you?
We went off and like went like.
Oh,
30
did like
minutes,
another, yeah.
excursion, and we got to do that and like big catamaran.
Nice.
That's awesome.
Yes, we saw y'all at dinner last night, and they're like, please don't say anything.
Oh my God, no, seriously, always. Like so many people have said things to us, and it's like so loving. So thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you. Have
Thank
a good,
you.
great day.
See, everyone, thank you. Everyone has come up to us like the entire time. It's been so sweet. So much love here at
Yeah,
SANDOS
so
Playyacar.
sweet.
I think it's so funny that her friends were like, "Don't say anything to them." I'm like,
They're
"No,
having a
please."
romantic dinner.
Yeah, no, we.
So you guys, that water turned my shirt brown.
It's brown. This
was
shirt was
white.
white.
Now it's brown.
Like,
I don't know.
I don't know what
So
to
it's a good thing
say.
or bad thing?
I don't know what to say about that, except that that shirt is now a different color.
Yeah.
That is hilarious to me. Well, you can bleach it, luckily. I'm shocked. I'm like, is my stuff? Well, mine's already colored, so
Yeah.
very crazy. So back to the pool we go. In clean waters, in the pool. Intense. So I can't believe it turned his shirt brown. That is so funny and also ridiculous.
Ridiculous.
How does that happen?
So we just walked in, you guys, and look at the towel. Oh, look how much tequila they gave us. First of all, babe, they gave us 3. We're gonna have to check a bag.
Oh my gosh, we have to check a bag.
3 tequilas. Oh my god.
Oh my gosh, and they all say SANDOS.
Why so many?
Why not? And oh
Wait,
my
that's
gosh.
brown, and then we have a white. And then they make the really nice.
Oh, I'm sorry, babe. I'm sorry.
You have to take that tequila home now.
Absolutely.
But look how cute.
Oh my god, they're the cutest. I want a picture of them.
And have little eyes.
They have little eyes. They're just adorable. What I'm telling you.
So cute.
We have had such a special time here. Oh, development. Tell them what we're doing.
Oh, we found out that we can go to a beach that has crystal blue waters. It's just about a 20-minute walk up the beach. So we're gonna do that. We have folks that want to go with us. So we're gonna go right now. We're changing because this water this is gross. I can't wear this.
Literally turned into.
So we're gonna change, go have lunch, and then we're gonna go walk to the crystal blue waters of Cancun. We hope it's still crystal blue by the time we get there. But this is awesome. All this tequila, this is dope. This is gonna really add to our bar at home.
Oh my gosh, yeah. It's so special because it's SANDOS.
Yeah, so we're gonna change real quick, and then we're gonna go get some food, and we'll be back. All right, look how cute this is, though. Come through.
All right, guys. So for the first time in forever, Frozen. For the first time since we've been here, we're going to go to the lunch buffet. We are. Look how tan we are in this mirror. Oh my lord. We're gonna go to the lunch buffet. I heard they have a make-to-order pasta, which is my life. So, yes. We're gonna go there and we're gonna have a quick lunch because we have to get to meet our friends so we can go to the Blue Beach and walk to it. So we'll show you what the lunch looks like, though. First booth at the buffet here. So we're gonna take you all the way around, show you all of the options, right, babe?
Yeah.
And
So
then,
we can have dinner here.
yeah, because we've never been to lunch here, but
We went to the little snack area.
right, which was perfect for that day because we didn't want to leave. We didn't want to leave the beach, so here I'm guessing this is probably going to be stick with the Mexican. Before it was like Mexican food. Oh, like little sandwiches. So there's, oh, like papusas. Oh, mini tacos, babe. Chicken legs. There are vegetables and meat and chicken. Looks like roja vieja. Oh, do you even know what's on that?
Yeah.
Is it cream
and
cheese and ham and cheese? Oh, so little sandwiches, little ham and cheese on there. Is it mayo or is it cream cheese? Don't say mayo. Mayo? Nope. Lots of fun toppings. Looks like a panini situation. Okay, there's some bagels there. Desserts. Oh, look at all these sweet treats. I don't think we've had any of like the main, like the little desserty stuff here. We're not that big of like sweets guys for the most part, right? Oh my gosh, so many desserts. So many desserts. Even over there, same desserts as over here, but desserts. Ooh, those bonbons, that looks good. Over here we have French fries, mushrooms, potatoes, corn, the grill section, sausages, chicken, oh beef, that's nice. Oh, gravy. Oh, hot dogs. Can't have anything without hot dogs. All the fixings for the hot dogs. We have vegetables. Oh, shrimp. It looks like there's some shrimp there. Oh, hamburgers, cheeseburgers, obviously. Oh, lots of vegetables. We have cauliflower, potatoes. Oh, chicken tenders, pork medallions, yellow rice. Oh, paella. Arroz saffron rice. Okay, so we have, we have ravioli with 4 cheese, the fusilli, cabbage and, what is that back there? Oh, cabbage and bacon. Big pizza, yes, pizza, I love pizza. Oh, and this is the pasta making station. This is where I think we're gonna be. So, you choose your pasta, and then there's all of these add-ins here. It looks like there's like olives and tuna and all kind of things here. Gluten-free. Oh, pizza with shrimp pizza. Different things. Oh, spaghetti. What were you saying, babe?
Ceviche over there.
Oh, you love ceviche. Nachos. Oh, little cute little bowls. And look at all these cold salads. So cold salads. Oh, the same kind of cold cuts and deli meats. Oh, salad bar on that side. Cheese. Cheese. And oh, looks over here. There's some stuff. Fruit. Oh, look at that. Here's the chicken tenders, chicken nuggets, chicken wings. Oh, mac and cheese.
Mac and cheese. You've been saying something.
Yes, I was like mac and cheese and chicken nuggets. Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna definitely go to the pasta station, right, babe? Yeah. Okay, guys. So this is how this works. There's fettuccine, there's penne, there's different things. You choose your pasta, and then there's all of these that you choose, and there's a small plate, and you put what you want on the plate, and then they make the pasta to order. So there's Alfredo, there's a cream sauce, and then there's the 4 cheese, and then they make it for you. Terrell is going the not pasta route.
I might not eat all of it, but
no, but this looks so good. I think I'm gonna make another one. I'm gonna do a little pizza with a little mac and cheese and some other. Oh, is this a steak?
Yeah,
that looks good. Literally, this is how much pasta on the plate is so much, but we're gonna share it. So yeah, I'm not gonna lie, the lunch buffet is good. There's so many options, so much variety, right? Yeah. So